Hey everyone, today we are solving one of the most famous interview question ever, two sum. If you understand this one, you unlock a pattern used in many other problems. So let's jump in. So what is this problem is all about? So two sum is the problem where given an array of integers nums and an integer target. So these two are the parameters that we are going to pass to the function, and it will return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. For example, here we have given an array that contains 2, 7, 11, 15 are the elements with the target 9. So what we have to do here is we have to add numbers such that they will get add up to this 9. So if we start to iterate on this array, what it will do, it will just check 2 plus 7. So is it equal to 9? Yes, it is equal to 9. So what it will return? This will return 0 or 1. 0 and 1. So this is the two sum problem. Now I will give you one example. Think of it like shopping. So you have a target budget of 9, say $9, and you are checking items on a shelf. So these are the items 2, 7, 11, and 15. So which two items add up to 9? That means what are those items which value gets add up to 9? So that's to fill up that target. You will or you can buy some items from the shelf. So here 2 and 7 get add up to 9. So now let's teach the computer how to find them instantly. Now see the code. So here I'm using one hash map. So first of all, vector into sum. This is the function because we are returning one array. So see this. This is the kind of array value that we are returning from this function, and we are passing two parameters there. One is integer array and one is integer target, that is number. So integer array is a vector. So in this particular vector, we are passing this vector using a reference. So why we are passing this using reference? Because when we want to make some changes, it will get reflected into the array. Otherwise, it will just pass copy of it. So n is the array dot size. So number of element present in that particular array. And we are using here unordered map, which is whose name is scene. So we have taken this array, which is an unordered map. Sorry, we have taken this unordered map whose name is scene. Now we are trying to iterate over the array. So we are calculating difference here. Why we are calculating difference here? What we are doing is we are taking the target and we are taking each element from the array, and after finding out the difference we are checking if that difference is present in that particular map. If it is, then we are returning that particular index. So here difference is target minus array of I. So scene is the hash map. So we are checking count is the method which checks if the particular value is present in that particular map or not. So we are checking difference. Is difference is present in that particular map? If yes, then we are returning the indices. So from scene we are returning indices of that difference and this I. Otherwise, if it is not, then scene where array of I is equal to I. So we are storing, suppose here 2 7, we are iterating over this particular array. Target is 9. So target is 9, I is equal to 0. Difference will be 9 minus 2, which is 7. So we are checking if the 7 is present in that particular scene. First of all, it will not present because we have not put it anything yet. So we are just going here. Now we have put this 2 inside the map after iterating this 2. Now we are checking 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. Is 2 present in that particular hash map? Yes. So we are returning this Scene area of I is equal to I. So scene area of I is 7. Difference is 2. Scene difference is 0. So 2 is present at 0th index and I is 1. So we are returning 0 and 1. So that will be the output of our code. So just see, here we are compiling it. So see, output is 0 and 1. So it is all about the two sum problem. Thank you.